How can I change or modify the SSID of my Wi-Fi network?
Welcome to this quick guide where we will be talking about how to change the SSID, or the name, of your Wi-Fi network. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier, and it's basically the name that you see when you're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Changing it can help personalize your network or make it more secure.
What do you need to begin?
Before we begin, please ensure you have the following: your router, the device that broadcasts your Wi-Fi. A device with internet access. A computer is most common, but a smartphone or tablet can work too. Router login details. The username and password for accessing your router's settings. If you don't know your router login details, check the sticker on the router or the manual that came with it. If you've changed and forgotten them, you may need to reset your router to factory settings.
How to access your router settings.
1. Connect your device to the router you wish to change the SSID for. This can be either via Wi-Fi or, preferably, using an Ethernet cable. 2. Open a web browser and type in the IP address of your router into the address bar. Common addresses are 192.168.0.1, 192.168.1.1, or 10.0.0.1. If none of these work, check your router's manual. 3. Hit enter, and you should be prompted for your router's username and password. Once you enter these, you'll be taken to your router's settings page.
How to change the SSID.
In your router's settings page, you're looking for the wireless settings section. This may also be named wireless network, wireless configuration, or similar. 1. Once in the wireless settings, find the SSID or network name field. 2. Change this SSID to your desired name. This can be anything you like, but remember that it will be publicly visible whenever anyone is in range of your network. 3. Save your changes. There will be a Save, Apply, or OK button somewhere on the page. Clicking it will apply your new SSID. Note: after you've changed your SSID, any devices that were connected to your network will be disconnected because the network name has changed. You'll need to reconnect them with the new network name. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Wi-Fi SSID. Now, your Wi-Fi network will have a fresh, new name. Remember, whenever you change your SSID, you will need to reconnect all your devices using the new network name. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy browsing!